Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your Hammer Iron 3, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and get application to transfer data. We are going to use the application named CLONEit. It's really easy to use and you don't have to pay for it, so it's worth to get it. On the second smartphone you have to get this application also, and if you got it, just open. We are waiting right now for the Hammer, and as you can see right now we can also open it. Click allow 2 times, and right now tap on the yes, I agree. Click sender on your Android phone, tap set, turn on location with the switcher, then tap back. Click sender one more time. On your Hammer, select receiver, click allow. Right here we have to also turn on location, go back and click receiver. Tap search again and click on this Android share icon. We have 2 ways to connect. We can scan the QR code, this one, and also we can input this password manually. So we have to pick your way. I'm going to scan the code, click on it, tap allow, grab your phone, put it in the frame like that, and right now we have to wait, they are connecting. On this Android phone you have to accept the request, and if you want to send everything you have to click on all of these icons and then tap start. But if you want to get only some details, you have to unselect and click here, and I will show you how it's going to work on the music. So I'll send 2 songs, click start, OK. And as you can see, it's finished. So this is how you transfer data to your Hammer Iron 3. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!